Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Jwala and I'm here to present before you some topics on Ayurveda and its importance based on scientific evidences and studies. Today we'll discuss about ginger, which is a very common drug that we have been using since centuries. Especially we Keralites and Indians use ginger as a part of our daily Indian cuisine. It belongs to the family of Gingiberaceae and its scientific name is Gingiber officinae. Let us look into the properties of ginger. It includes anti-inflammatory property, antioxidative, antimicrobial and even anti-cancer potential. These properties of ginger has been evaluated scientifically by using animal studies known as in-vivo studies, then cell line studies and in-vitro studies. And based on this scientific evidence, many clinical trials have also been carried out to prove the properties of ginger. Now let us focus on the antioxidant property of ginger. Various metabolic activities of the body produces reactive oxygen species which are free radicals of oxygen. These free radicals of oxygen, when they are within the capacity of antioxidant capacity of the body, it doesn't produce any pathological condition to the body. But when it is beyond the antioxidant capacity of our biological system, it can produce oxidative stress to the body tissues. This oxidative stress is responsible for various diseases like cardiac disorders, neurodegenerative conditions, cancer, and even in aging process. Various studies, as mentioned before, have proven that bioactive molecules of ginger possess antioxidant activity, which means that we can use ginger to reduce the oxidative stress of the body, and thereby it can be used in the treatment of cardiac diseases, neurodegenerative diseases, and even cancer. So that is why the antioxidant property of any drug is important to be analyzed scientifically. More and more studies are essential to scientifically evaluate the properties of any drug. So now let's look on to the Ayurvedic aspect. In Ayurveda, it is known by the Sanskrit name Ardraga, and various properties of Ardraga has been mentioned in Bhava based on Ayurvedic scales of Rasa, Guna, Veerya, Vipaka and Karma. It is based on these properties that an Ayurvedic physician should determine whether this has to be given to a particular patient. Now let us see how we can use Ardraga in our daily life. Ardraga helps in bowel evacuation, it increases appetite and digestion. So in Ayurveda, it has been recommended to use a piece of Ardraga or a teaspoon of ginger juice before food so as to enable the digestion and the bowel evacuation. It is indicated in conditions like skin diseases, bleeding diseases, ulcers, fever, and infections. Due to its hot potency, known as Ushna Veerya in Ayurveda, it has been recommended to avoid its use during hot climates. So we can conclude that effective use of Ardraga, which is a very common drug in our daily life, can bring us great health benefits. That is all for today's session. Thank you and have a nice day.